there's always numbers on them, and those numbers always mean nothing about the hole that they are next to. I don't know why they number them. They just have the holes. No one looks at the numbers. So what I've done in the past is, say there's a hole next to the edge, I'll use a diamond burr or something, put a line there, and then just over that corner, and then I'll write the measurement, like 1.2 or whatever. So when I've pulled it through, that's a definite 1.2, so I'll mark that. So it might be number 27, but you'll never remember 27 is 1.2 in the future, so just write it on the edge with a diamond burr. Just one or two of them, let me maybe mark out 1.5, 2 mil, whatever, just so it's a bit of a guide, so it's nice to know what's going on while you're putting down metal. It stops you making a mistake as well, because there is a chance you'll put it down one hole too far and then make it too thin for the job you want. Another complaint I have about draw plates is, and this is my experience of every draw plate I've ever used in my entire career, the holes don't go down like an equal amount. You might have two, like that one and that one look quite different. You'll pull it down 1, 2, 3, not too much of a problem, but then 4 will be such a struggle, and you'll be snapping off the points and having to file it back, wasting metal, but you'll get it through there, and then it's just gone down too far. So the difference between there is too severe. If that's a bit too big, it's too risky to go to the next one because it's going to pull it down too much. So that's my problem with draw plates, and they all do it. I've never used the carbide ones, the more expensive ones. Maybe they're better, I don't know, maybe they're higher quality. They always cost more.